In this video, we're going to talk about how to convert degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit and Fahrenheit to Celsius. So first of all, I'd like to show you a relationship between degrees Celsius and Fahrenheit. So for every degree Celsius is equal to 5/9 open brackets degrees Fahrenheit minus 32. So this is the formula you use when you're going to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit or Fahrenheit to Celsius. Let's quickly take an example. Say we are to convert 212 degrees Fahrenheit to Celsius. Okay, so basically we are going to just plug in the value of 212 into this formula. So this formula becomes degrees Celsius should be equal to 5/9 open bracket 212 degrees Fahrenheit minus 32. Okay, so the degree Celsius equivalent is equal to 5/9 open bracket 212 minus 32 is 180. Okay, so this is simply 9. We know that 9 can divide itself once and 9 can go into 180 20 times. So this becomes 5 times 20. Okay, so 5 times 20 is equal to 100. So the equivalent in degrees Celsius is 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, so quickly, if we take another example, say 32 degrees Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius. Okay, so you just plug it into this equation like we did before. So that degrees Celsius should be equal to 5/9 open bracket 32 minus 32. Okay, so degrees Celsius is equal to 5/9. 32 minus 32 is 0. Okay, so 0 times 5/9 is 0. Equivalent in degrees Celsius is degrees Celsius. Okay. This simply means that 32 degrees Fahrenheit is 0 degrees Celsius. So let's take extra examples for you to understand better. So for a third example, say we are asked to convert 50 degrees Celsius to degrees Fahrenheit. So in this case, we notice from this formula, the degrees Fahrenheit is not the subject of formula. So if it's converted to the subject of formula, this same formula would become degrees Fahrenheit would be equal to 9/5 degrees Celsius plus 32. Okay, so this is the formula that we'll be using to solve for degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so our equivalent degrees Fahrenheit in this case would be 9/5 times 50 plus 32. Okay, so we know that 5 can divide 50 10 times. Okay, so this is equal to 9 times 10 plus 32. Okay, so 9 times 10 is 90 plus 32. So 90 plus 32 is equal to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. So this simply means the equivalent value of 50 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit is 122 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's it for how to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius. So if you like the video, leave a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. It helps. Thanks for watching the video.